Yo, it's Ryan, the Smart Web Tutor. What's going on? It's good to see you again. I just came to you today because I was wanted to talk to you about prospecting, right? Prospecting. Typically when we think about prospecting, we're thinking about going out there and trying to find leads, right? Trying to find leads. Back in the day, if you were part of like an MLM or something like that, you you went out there and you were prospecting for clients, prospecting for somebody to join your team. So the same thing nowadays is similar with any type of business online, because now we got social media. And with social media, we have so much options. We can go onto the social media platform like Facebook or LinkedIn and different places like that, and you could start doing your lead gen, right? You're finding prospects for your business. You're niching down. You're trying to find your ideal target audience, right? So today, I wanted to bring you just a simple course that I have available. It's called Prospecting and Closing Blueprint. Okay. And I'm going to take you over to the sales page here real quick, but it's a simple little course that you can just, absorb in a day and go through it and just learn the tips and tricks that we have available. Okay. And how on social, especially, you can start reaching out to your ideal prospects and start closing them. So, let's head on over to the sales page and I'll give you a rundown on what's going on over there. All right, we'll see you there. All right, here we are. We're over here at the sales page. This is the page, right? For the prospecting and closing blueprint. All right, they say acquire the customer, recruit the rep, close the sale, create cash flow now. Wow. Okay. So, this is the guide to find 10 plus prospects per day. Transition to business fast and close them into your opportunity, right? We're just saying opportunity loosely, right? We're talking about closing them into your product, closing them into your offer. So, this course is meant for prospecting and networking, okay? Mainly for finding new reps for your business, but this can also be just finding people that are interested in your products. You could be selling physical products. You could be selling digital products. You could be selling a service, right? We just want to find those people that are in pain, looking for the solution, and give them the solution. You may be looking for a product just like this. So what I'm doing is I'm looking for people that are looking for information that can serve them, like a prospecting and closing blueprint. If you need these things, like they say, the Transition to Business Blueprint course includes a simple few-minute process to find 10 plus people per day on Facebook who want to buy what you have. Okay, this could be Facebook, right? The main place is Facebook, but you can also be doing this on LinkedIn. You could be doing it on Instagram. You could be doing it on TikTok. You could be doing it on Twitter. Any of the major platforms. You could be doing the same thing on YouTube. You can be doing the same thing. You're finding prospects, people that are making comments on your posts, and this prospecting and closing blueprint will help you out and give you the plan, lay it out. Okay, it gives you the step-by-step closing blueprint that yields up to a 70% close rate. See proof inside, right? Strategically fill your pipeline daily and close more customers and team members starting today. This digital course turns time-sucking messenger chit-chat that produces zero results into powerful conversations that lead your prospects to buy your products or join your business. No more chasing or spamming, right? We don't want to spam people. We don't want to just put our link all over the place. We don't need to do that, right? If you find your ideal client, right, and you offer them something that they're searching for, a solution, then there shouldn't be any problem, right? What's the holdup? We will run into people that are very skeptical. It doesn't even matter what the cost is, right? You could offer it to them for free and they still don't want to get it because they're like, what's wrong with it? Type of a deal. Well, why don't you just check it out and just find out for yourself? There's nothing wrong with it. You just need to check it out so you can figure it out for yourself. All right? People are shy for some reason. I don't know why. Or people have been hammered so many times in their life and been taken to the bank, and they just are skeptical. But when you find that person that's really ailing, somebody that's got a broken bone, and they got a hospital next door, it's easy, right? That's an easy solution. I got to go to the hospital. In this case, if somebody's ailing and needs to find leads for their business and learn how to close the sale, then you find something like this product, Prospecting and Closing Blueprint. All right, let's go down the page here a little bit. Oh, look at that. Normally $27, $7 for a limited time. This is a serious problem, and we feel your pain, right? It's not your fault. How much precious time are you wasting with prospecting, with prospects who have zero intention of buying your product or joining your opportunity? This is time you'll never get back. You're finally ready to communicate and close like a six-figure pro, right? Okay? It may not be that simple, right? It takes practice, but you're learning the steps. You're getting the idea about how to approach the process, right? Practice, practice, practice. But when you have a good course like this, just a simple course that you could go through in a day and just go over it, repeat, 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 and then practice, 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 then you're there, right? All right. What you'll learn inside this prospecting and closing course: where to find 10 plus quality prospects per day, and the simple steps to instantly connect, transition to business fast, and close the sale. One question to ask to discover if they have a need you can fulfill. You'll see how six-figure pros uses this one question to hit a close rate of 70%. How this daily action plan with just 10 prospects a day could yield 7 plus new signups per month in your business. Real life numbers inside, right? And who's this course for? If you're talking with people, but you just can't seem to get a sale or close them into your business, if you feel awkward to bring up business or your products in conversation or in Messenger, if you're tired of spending time building rapport for hours on end with nothing to show for it, if you want a simple process to connect with your prospects and transition to business lightning fast, if you're ready to become a top recruiter in your company without spamming strangers on Facebook, if any of the above apply, then you need to click here to get this course, right? Okay? Just follow the framework for success. Step 1, buy the Prospecting and Closing Blueprint. Step 2, get instant access and follow the simple step-by-step process. Find endless prospects that want to buy, transition to business fast, and close the sale. Okay? Let's do it. Let's get into this, this simple course. This is an easy course. It's a quick course. It's a video to watch. It's a training that you can get in there, learn the steps, and then repeat the steps. Learn it, repeat it. Go out there, do the work, okay? This is within my membership area, so you're dealing with me. I'm not sending you off to somebody else's website. You get this course, you get me. So you get into the course and you got any questions, you can hit the support and reach out and let me know if you got any questions, okay? I'm available on, or you can send a message here on, whatever platform you're watching this presentation on, and I can get back to you, okay? It's very simple. That's why I'm bringing you simple solutions, right? Because we're stuck in this info overload. We got the shiny object syndrome, right? We are constantly being bombarded with new information. Now, this could be another new information for you, but I'm looking for people that are looking for the solution, and I'm giving you that solution, right? I'm giving you some help here, okay? I'm not charging a lot for this, $7, easy, right? You spend more going to some junk food place, right? You know, don't get junk food. It's bad for you, right? Let's get some prospecting and closing blueprint going on so that you can make money, right? And then if you decide that you need some more help, then you can come back and we can talk about that. I have plenty of courses that are available that you can go through that'll help you learn the steps, learn the process, back to basics. You know, let's not get overwhelmed with too much stuff. Let's take it easy. Let's take these steps, learn it, go out there and practice it, and then you can get going out there to make sales and recruit people into your business, or get people to come and buy your product or your affiliate link or whatever it may be, right? Okay, so this is Ryan. I'm the Smart Web Tutor. I appreciate you coming to the page. Get over here. Check this out. You can take a look at the link below. I have it in the description. And if you like these videos, come on, like it. All right, and subscribe to this channel because I'll be releasing new videos every day. And you know, I'm here for you. All right, I'm here to help. Don't be shy. Let's do it. All right. Thanks a lot. We'll talk to you later.